Jesus. Holy shit. Alright, that's one. Holy fuck. Oh, these things are no fun to move, man. Holy shit. Am I gonna be able to snake that one through there? I have to take that bar out. Ow! Put this fucking thing up here. Ow! God damn it! God, you might give me that. Jesus. Yeah. Okie dokie then. Well, just for fucking safety. Oh man. Jesus Christ. Alright, that's two of them. We're gonna do fucking screws too, because why the hell not? One more. Shee! That one's done. You didn't see the rest of them getting done, but... Alright, I'm back. More screws. Oh, fuck. Oh, hey, this ain't so bad. I can live with this. Ow, God fucking damn it. Ah, goddamn thing. You guys able to see that? Of course you're not. This. See them sharp corners? Why do they leave fucking sharp corners on there? It hurts like hell. Yeah. Crawl back in here. Jesus Christ. Get in here, leg. Come on. There we go. Regular fucking contortionist in here. Oh. Jesus Christ. This is not the funnest place to be. At least it's not hot. Don't fucking stab my head. Oh, hi. There we go. Oh. Shoo. Yeah. Alrighty. Time for the other two. Okie doke. So I'm gonna go ahead and wire these fuckers up so I don't have to crawl way back in here again. But anywho, just got back, picked up some speaker wire for Music and Sound in Mitchell. If you don't know about the place, go check out the place. Dude's been in this game longer than some of you guys have been alive. Got a little bit of everything. And some of the cool stuff in there has been around forever, man. He's got old relics that are super cool to look at. Yeah. Check that guy out if you got the time. He's worth it. I know there's probably a better way to strip these fucking wires, but this is the way I've been doing it forever, so. Alright, I'm not gonna bore you with this nonsense. Anywho, good wire. Check out Music and Sound, I'll be back. Oh shit, forgot to press play. This one's a bastard. Oh, there we go. Holy fuck. Oh, get the fuck in your circle. Oh. Okie doke. Oh, this is all going to be such a tight squeeze. I hope it fits. Oh, shit. Shit, that sub's got to go over here. Shit, that sucks. Shit, that sucks. Here. Right there, maybe. Good enough, good enough. God damn it. That sucks. You know, the American base subs were light enough. I'm gonna pick them up and over all this. These fuckers they weigh more than half of what I weigh. That's fucking silly. There's no reason for that. That's fantastic. I love it. Every bit of it. But use physics. Pivot it while it is centered on itself. Let the mass of the motor help you out. just like so. Oops. Right on top of a fucking wire. Oh, there we go. Like a glove. Holy fuck-a-moly. Yeah, these things are kind of insane. Should do. Fantastic. That work? There you go. There you go. Number 3's in. You can get that fucker screwed down, wired up, and then I'll be back for the 4th. Okie dokie. Number 4. Oh, fuck. Jesus fucking Christ. 85 pounds of silliness. Oh, man. Holy shit. Ooh. Yeah. This should work. Yeah, we'll go with that. Anyway, that's that. Oh. Not too bad. Hardest part was honestly just carrying the fuckers from the front of the house to the garage, but yeah. I should make some fucking noise.